morning, I'm Sriza from CSM4 and we are from Team 9. Our title is Sunset Glow. Coming to our problem statement, basically in public transportation systems such as buses and subways, we have to manually turn on the light after sunset, which can lead to several challenges such as inefficiency and inconsistency in lighting levels and also potential safety hazards. So we have invented a automated lighting system that can directly turn on the lights after sunset. Thanks.
I am Charan. I am explaining about the existing solutions. Existing solutions are push button light switches that man do manually on off buttons, motion sensors, voice activated lights.
I'm Tanmay Varangandi. I'm going to explain about gaps in existing solutions. As we know, the existing solutions are push button light switches, voice activated lights, motion sensor lights. The gaps in push button light switches are some passengers such as those who limited mobility or visual impairments, they suffer in turning off the lights using the push button switches. And in motion sensor lights, it triggers the false motions and it turns on lights unnecessarily. And in voice activated lights, voice activated light system may struggle to accurately interpret commands in noisy or crowded environments, and it may also falsely turn on the lights even if it is unnecessary. Proposed solution, we used LDR as the main component which detects the light intensity and turns on the lights when it is required. Not only during the sunset, even in the cloudy weather, we use these sensors.
I'm Satvik. Today I'm explaining about the components used in our project. We use Arduino cable, Arduino board, breadboard, and jelving wires and two resistors. The resistors are 330 ohms and 10 ohm resistors. We use jumping wires. It is 3 types: male to male, female to female, male to female. We use LDR. LDR is nothing but a light dependent resistor.
So we finally conclude that our project is going to help in long distance travels of buses and subways, especially the buses which travel during the day and night. When it's the time of sunset, the LDR automatically detects the darkness present outside of the bus and it will automatically turn on the lights in the bus. And it will be helpful for the passengers because the passenger should not go manually and turn on the lights. So our project is mainly based on the automatic lighting system. So by using our project, the lights will on automatically in buses and subways during the time of sunset. Thank you.
This is the working model of our project.